Hello, I'm Becky, your Customer Success Manager here at Synergy Learning. Today I want to talk to you about how we can help your organisation evolve. We are going to look at the transition from standard Moodle to Moodle Workplace and how this shift helps you embrace modern L&D trends with ease. Whether you are in healthcare, corporate or public services, we are seeing a universal shift in what our workforce expects. The one-size-fits-all approach no longer works. Modern learners need their environment to be frictionless, personalised and inclusive, just like the consumer apps they use every day. There are 4 pillars we focus on to meet these demands: providing a frictionless user experience, creating secure, distributed learning for spaces for different departments, tailoring learning to specific roles and skills, and finally, managing compliance and governance to mitigate risk. The transition to Moodle Workplace is designed to be seamless because it's not a new system. It is an enhancement of the Moodle platform you already know and trust. Because Workplace is built directly on the existing Moodle LMS core, you aren't starting from scratch. You benefit from the same intuitive core structure, the familiar tools your team is already comfortable with, and the robust, secure architecture that has been the foundation for your learning environment. This isn't about relearning how to manage your learning. It is about keeping that proven foundation while unlocking a new set of enterprise-grade tools to support your organisation's growth. One of the most powerful features in Workplace is multi-tenancy. You can now offer distinct branded spaces for different departments or partners under one system. Crucially, you can delegate administrative tasks to local managers, which removes the bottleneck from your central L&D team and lets departments manage their own metrics. We want to move from passive learning to active growth. With the Visual Learning Catalogue, employees can self-enrol in professional development that fits their skills. On the flip side, we automate compliance paths, meaning the system handles reminders and re-enrolments automatically, so you don't have to chase certificates manually. Moodle Workplace mirrors your real-world organisational structure. By mapping reporting hierarchies into the system, managers gain instant oversight of their direct teams. Plus, they can access self-service reports without needing the complex permissions of a master system administrator. With the native custom report builder, we make data meaningful. You can generate real-time compliance metrics without developer skills. Even better, you can set up automated, scheduled reports so the right managers get the right insights delivered to their inbox exactly when they need them. This is where Moodle Workplace really shines: dynamic rules. These rules trigger actions in real time, like issuing a certificate or allocating a course, the moment a user meets that criteria. We are completely eliminating the waiting game and manual admin processing. To reach everyone in your workforce, we focus on accessibility. This includes multilingual notifications to bridge language gaps, a fully brandable, mobile responsive app for learning on the go, and personalised user tools that help every learner navigate their new dashboard from day one. When you switch to Moodle Workplace, you aren't just changing software, you are improving outcomes. We see better completion rates, significantly reduced admin overheads by replacing fragile plugins, and much more secure, audit-ready compliance frameworks. I know migration can sound daunting, but our roadmap is straightforward. We audit your current setup, build a prototype to refine your rules, migrate your existing data, including user history and courses, and launch with minimal downtime. We are with you every step of the way. It is time to make your learning environment as dynamic as your organisation. Let's start by mapping your existing plugins and planning a secure transition. Please reach out to your account manager today and let's get started.